Hello everybody, welcome to COXO new products launch. This is our second time to launch new products in this year. Now, the global number of people with missing teeth, more than 2.5 billion, is really a very huge number. Implant operation is a very good way to help missing teeth person to have teeth again. Our first model of implantation system is Sealer. It's the first one to get the license from Child's Health Department. Now we have many different model numbers, like Sealer Pro, the most popular one, and the Sealer Pro Plus with a very powerful function. Now our implantation system already sold to more than 120 countries. Today, I want to introduce you another new dental implantation system. Let's watch a video. Sealer S1 is our new dental implantation system. It with some new function and new technology. First, let's see the new motor. Sealer S1 with the fourth generation of hummingbird brushless motor. It with better performance and experience. Sealer S1 motor with more stable output. Dentists can use it for longer time without output change. It also with a lower noise gives the dentist and the patients much better experience. Also, it with a lower temperature rise. This is very important. The dentist can continue use it for longer time. Sealer S1 motor is much smaller than another and our old generation. The diameter is just 20 mm and the length just 84 mm. The most important is this new motor much lighter than the last generation, just almost 100 grams. Sealer S1 motor is much stronger and more durable than before. It means it with some special design can protect inside part so the dentist can use it for longer time. The motor with high brightness LED light. After the country angle, it still can reach more than 7,000 lux, and the brightness can be adjusted to meet different situations of the treatment. Sealer S1 with the new host. You can see the design is totally different than before. It with very clear display, 7-inch colorful full touch screen. The dentist can very easy to understand and to control it because it with a graphic implant process selection design. All the parameters just at a glance. Sealer S1 with two working models, implant model and the surgery model. Two working models in one machine for dentists, it's much easier to use it for different function. For implant model, there are some programs already inside. The dentist just choose and use. Very simple, very easy. Also, the dentist can set the speed and the torque by itself. For surgery model, there are also some programs already inside, like the extraction and the restoration. The dentist can choose and use, and we also give the option for the dentist. He can set the special program by himself. C-sealer is one with a calibration function. Just one key, the motor can detect and adjust the motor torque by itself to be sure the output is accuracy. C-sealer is one with automatic clean of the contra-angle programs. Just one key, it will work by itself. No need a long time press the foot pedal. C-sealer is one can adapt to many different speed rates of the contra-angle and the straight hand piece for implant use or for surgery use. C-sealer is one with a silent water pump and 5 levels adjustable water volume. The maximum water volume is more than 140 milliliter per minute. C-sealer is one with a metal connector, can give you more stable and longer life use. It comes with a detachable contra-angle. This is our special contra-angle. Our model number is C6-22. It can easily to detach just by hand without any special tools. Also, it can easily to clean inside part of the contra-angle and also put the oil after clean inside of the contra-angle. So the service life will be much longer. It can avoid a cross-infection because you can clean completely. C-sealer is one host. It's smaller and lighter, just 2.5 kilograms. It's much lighter than the last generation. C-sealer is one with a full function foot pedal. You can easily control the water volume, the programs, the direction and the rotation and the speed. So this is the first superstar of today. C-sealer is one. It's smaller but stronger. Now let's talk about our second superstar of today. First, why the dentist need to use electric motor? Compare with the air turbine and the air low-speed handpiece. Electric motor's torque is much bigger. The electric motor's speed is much stable and much easier to control the speed and the direction. During the treatment, the aerosol is much less than high-speed air turbine because it is a high-pressure air. But for use electric motor, it's no need is a high-pressure air, so the aerosol will be much less. From 10 years before, COXO started to make electric motor. We have many different models in the market. Some of them for dental chair, some of them for table use. Today, I want to bring you another special, more powerful one. It's not a normal electric motor. Let's watch a video. Yes, it's the second superstar of today, CPOMA Pro. It's a dental surgical model, not a normal electric model, because it's with more function. CPOMA Pro with a very clear display, 7-inch colorful full view angle screen with full touch function. Very simple to understand and very easy to operate. CPOMA Pro with multi-function, extraction, high speed, low speed, and osteotomy. For extraction function, the dentist can use different gears of increase speed control. We put some programs inside. The dentist can just choose and use. Very simple and easy. For high-speed function with different gears of increased speed control, with many different programs inside, the dentist can use it to do a lot of work. Just choose and use. Of course, if they want, they can set the speed, the water, the light, the spread, and everything by himself. For low speed function, they can choose the reducing speed control with different program inside. The dentist can use it to do a lot of work also. Another very important function is osteotomy. With different bone saw and different programs, the dentist can use it to do many surgical functions. In this function, it will use direct supply of the sterile water, much safer. Now let's talk about another very important system of CPOMA Pro. Two water supply system. It with the self-water and the infusion supply water. First, let's talk about the infusion supply water. It with a silent water pump can direct the supply of the sterile cooling cell line. This is very important for surgical operation. It with 5 levels of adjustable water volume. The maximum water volume up to 120 milliliters per minute. The second water supply system is a self-water. It with a tank, and the maximum tank capacity is 1,000 milliliters. It built in another water pump inside of the machine and also inside water channel. Dentist no need to do any another operation. Just press this button to change it to self-water. You know, in the market, there are some similar machines, but it's just one water pump. So if the dentist want to change the water supply from the infusion supply to the self-water supply, they need to remove the water tube and plug in another water tube again. This normally will cause a lot of water leak. But ours, CPOMA Pro, just one key, no need to do another things. It also with 5 levels of water volume adjustable. The maximum water volume up to 120 milliliters per minute. This is very important and very special function of CPOMA Pro compared with others. It with a very special structure with a filtration system. Quickly connect the water tank. You just put the tank down or move it away without any water leak. This is very, very important. So this way, it will prevent bacterial growth and the cross-infection. Sepoma Pro also with the internal water heater, it can make the heater warmer to improve the patient comfort. Sepoma Pro built-in air pump. No need to connect a dental unit or air compressor. It has air by itself. The automated water supply can cool and raise the cutting area much better from all directions. It also with another simple function to clean the pipe automatically. No need to long time press the foot pedal. So the dentist can use this function after operation. Very simple and very easy. Sepoma Pro, the software can upgrade by plugging in a USB disk. Simple. Update every time, make the machine like the new one. Sepoma Pro with a very small, quieter, and more convenient to use motor. It is an important barrier. The motor speed control is more precise. The motor speed range from 2,000 RPM to 40,000 RPM can meet all dentist use. It comes with a wireless foot pedal. Without the wire connect, it's more convenient for dentists to use and much easier to control it. This is a Sepoma Pro. It with water, with air. You just plug in and use. Very simple to use, very easy to use, but with very strong function. So this is the second superstar of today, Sepoma Pro. All-in-one, one for all. We believe it can greatly help your dental treatment. So today's two superstars, C-Sealer S1, the new generation of the implantation system. Sepoma Pro, the new surgical motor with super function. COXO always keep moving. We have a lot of new products will be launched very soon. Please just keep your focus on us. We will bring you more lucky and more products to meet all your needs.